This video goes beyond showcasing physique. It celebrates discipline, diversity, and determinations. Each of the 12 men has a unique story and journey toward self-mastery. Some exude natural strength while others display refined aesthetics, but together they form a strong brotherhood rooted in hard work and consistency. Every drop of sweat symbolizes resilience, and every flex serves as a reminder that greatness is achieved through countless hours of training, sacrifice, and focus. From the clean cut coach to the muscular warriors based him. This video illustrates true transformations not just for the body, but of the mind and spirit. Strength comes in many forms, and this team demonstrates that real power lies in unity, dedication, and belief. Whether you are just starting or well into your journey, remember the human body can achieve the extraordinary when fueled by purpose. See you in another next video, next topic. There we were. Okay, take care of yourself and bye bye.